నేటి కార్యాచరణ ప్రదర్శక పరాకాష్ఠకు గుర్తుగా తూర్పు నావికాదళం యొక్క శక్తివంతమైన యుద్ధ నౌకలచే ఛాయాచిత్రాలను మరియు అగ్నిమంటలను ఖచ్చితమైన సైనిక ఖచ్చితత్వంతో వెలిగించే అద్భుతమైన ప్రదర్శనను మీ ముందు చూడవచ్చు.
देवी और सज्जनों, अब आप जल्द ही अपने ठीक सामने एक शानदार प्रदर्शन देखेंगे.
Ladies and gentlemen, shift your gaze seawards and we can see a spectacular show right ahead where the ships have illuminated their silhouettes and fired flares to mark the culmination of today's operational demonstration.
बेफिक्र है, बेसब्र है, बिना इनके सागर में काम न होता. अटल हैं ये, अजय हैं, बिना इनके प्रांतों के नाम न होता. देवी और सज्जनों, सामने की पंक्ति में प्रज्वलित युद्धपोतों में सबसे प्रथम है आईएनएस कुठार, जिसके कमान अधिकारी कमांडर नितिन शर्मा हैं. इसके बाद है आईएनएस सुमित्रा, इसकी कमान कमांडर राकेश कुमार पांडे ने संभाली है. अगला युद्धपोत है आईएनएस सावित्री, इसके कमान अधिकारी कमांडर विजय झा हैं. पंक्ति में अगला युद्धपोत आईएनएस कदमत है, जिसके कमान अधिकारी कमांडर सी प्रदीप राजा हैं. पंक्ति में आखिरी युद्धपोत आईएनएस संधायक है, इसकी कमान कैप्टन आरएम थॉमस ने संभाली है. जोरदार तालियों से इन सभी युद्धपोतों का इस शानदार समन्वित प्रदर्शन के लिए अभिनंदन करें देवी और सज्जनों.
Demonstration.
बेफिक्र है, बेसब्र
May I now
है.
request the flag officer commanding in chief Eastern Naval Command to please address the gathering.
Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Dheeraj Singh Thakur, Honorable Chief Justice of the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, distinguished guests, flag officers and sailors of the Eastern Naval Command, and all the wonderful citizens of this beautiful city of destiny, Visakhapatnam, good evening. It gives me great pleasure to thank the Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Nara Chandrababu Naidu, and all our esteemed guests for your presence here today at this operational demonstration brought to you by the Eastern Naval Command. We are indeed very glad that the ENC Op Demo has become an important signature event of this very beautiful city of destiny, which is the pride of Andhra Pradesh and a place that we at the Eastern Naval Command very fondly call as our home port. We are particularly honored that the Honorable Chief Minister graciously accepted our invitation to be the chief guest. Sir, your presence at this event marks another important milestone in the enduring partnership between the Indian Navy and the state of Andhra Pradesh. Over the years, your unwavering support has greatly helped the Indian Navy host many national and international events of great significance in Visakhapatnam, especially the International Fleet Review in 2016. Many amongst those sitting here today would remember that day in October 2014 when Cyclone Hudhud had severely damaged the city. It was indeed a very challenging time for the people of this city and the administration. Many of you would recall that the Honorable Chief Minister had camped at Visakhapatnam to ensure that the city gets back to its feet in the quickest and the shortest possible time. The Indian Navy too had contributed its might in supporting the state administration and the people of Visakhapatnam. The Navy had rescued over 3,000 people and distributed over 200 tons of relief material towards helping the city recover from the devastation. 18 months later, in February of 2016, Visakhapatnam hosted the International Fleet Review, and not one person who participated in that event could have realized that this was the same city which had not long ago faced the brunt of a severe cyclone.